Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I'm gonna try to do Claire's collaboration. Thank you so much, Claire, for this opportunity. I feel overwhelmed. This is just some UV resin. This BS resin is a medium viscosity resin. It's not very runny. I'm gonna give some eyes to our little lizard. Okay, these are, I measured them and they measure 8mm, but I don't really remember if that's the size. I can't be sure about that, but they're the smaller ones. And I do have them listed in my Amazon storefront. Okay, these eyes are kind of on the side, I guess you would say. And I'm probably gonna over UV resin them and stuff, which I can tell I did already. I really don't want that. And I don't want to stick my cut finger in the resin. Okay. Now, lizard. Now this is going to be tricky, I admit. How to get those eyes. Okay, this may be a one at a time thing. I have no idea how the pupil is facing. This is just going to be a stab in the dark kind of thing. We'll just try to fit the other one the same way. Okay, once this is cured, I'll be back. Hey now, just like with mica powder, if you paint on with these are the oil paint pens. I'm going to do dots. I'm going to do orange in the middle with purple around the outside. So obviously the orange needs to go first. That way if I put the purple on top of the orange, it won't matter. Come on now. My finger is so incredibly sore. Something like that. Okay. Now, to everyone watching from Claire's Crafty Corners, welcome. I hope you enjoy yourselves here. I should learn to shape my paint pens first. It helps. Okay, a little circle of purple. Now, depending on the mold you're using, these paint pens will tend to bead up on some molds. On other molds, they'll rot perfectly. But on this one, we don't really care what it looks like. I'm hoping y'all can see. Alright. A little bit of something anyway. Now, the eyeballs are still where they're supposed to be. I'm going to mix up some black resin, and I'm going to pick out a kind of a glitter that we're going to put in it, and then I'll be back. Okay, this is the black resin dye by Illuminate. It is super thick and super concentrated, like the Cast and Craft white. It doesn't take more than just a drop. That's how thick it is. Okay, then I want to add at least a couple of spoons. This is the Leo Bro Copper Bronze. Yeah, why? When you fling it all over the desk like that. Alright, so that was 4 little spoons. Okay, crisis averted. It's when I went to scrape my stick that I realized I had not stirred my resin together. It stirred in the colorant and stirred in the mica, but I didn't stir in the resin. Okay, plain and simple, just a pour. Whoa. Give it a minute to flow. Alright, I've got my little silicone tool here to help it along. Just making sure to get those air bubbles out of the toes. Okay. Tedious, but necessary. Alright. Okay. Now a little bit of our long neck collider, if I can manage it with my finger. Ow! Okay, well, that's it for now. We will wait and see if any bubbles come up. I'll be watching it. Right there around the eyes, it'd be where I'd be worried about it most. But I'm hopeful it is gonna turn out really cute. I mean, it's just black and glitter, but it's Halloween black and glitter. So, let's keep our fingers crossed. I'll be back in the morning. Okay, demolding time. This little lizard is pretty easy to demold. Except for these little feetsies. Even the orange and purple came out. Okay, now, I'm sure we're going to have to draw over those spots that we put. Okay, so here we go. Oh my goodness. His little eyes. Oh my goodness. So cute. Now, I'm going to stick him back under my nail light just a minute. Just to finish curing the UV resin over the eyes. So they won't be sticky. Okay? Now we'll just go over the little orange dots. And you'll see how much easier it is to draw on cured resin. Okay, it's probably better to let them dry first. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, here he is. Okay, just to show you what you can do with Halloween colors. Really, I love that I don't even remember what the color of the glitter is. The Leo Bro Copper Bronze right off the bat. But as y'all know, the one color of glitter I'm out of more than anything else is orange. I don't think of myself as an orange person. But I do think of myself as a gecko person. Alright. Once again, thank you so much to Claire for doing this wonderful collaboration. Thank you so much to all of Claire's subscribers for coming to check me out. Happy Halloween, everyone. Oh, he's so cute. So cute. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I do have an Amazon shop that I get a little kickback from, where all of the glitters, resin dyes, mica powders, alcohol inks, all of that kind of stuff will be listed. Plus resin, silicone, and the like. I'll have to go back and check and see if there's some oil paint markers. Okay? Now, even the little eyes are listed there. Alright? So, once again, thank you to Claire. Thank you for all of you coming to check me out. Bye for now.